Join us on Thursday, June 18th at 10 a.m. Central Time for a webcast auction of precision CNC machining and turning equipment. Featuring 2011 Mazak Integrex i200s, 2019 Tsugami S206 Swiss lathe, 2019 Mazak VCN 570C, 2017 Mazak VCN 530C, 3 Mazak VCN 510C, 2017 Mazak QT 250, 2015 Mazak QTN 350, 2010 Mazak QTS 200, 2005 Mazak QTN 250, Kozen AH320H horizontal bandsaw, Makino Duo 43 EDM, 2020 Elgi air compressor, 2 Birmingham mills, Acer surface grinder, Nikon 4th axis rotary tables and trunnions, global CMM, inspection equipment, vices, live tooling, support equipment. For more information visit us at myronbowling.com. Register for the auction at bidspotter.com.